What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to JakeW kayak fishing. I'm kind of flying blind today. I got a really late start, didn't do any research of the tides or anything. Typically I'm very well prepared when I go fishing because I only get to fish once a week, and I'm trying to put out a video every week, so I got to plan well to make sure that I get on the fish. But normally I do pretty good because I know the areas I fish very well, and I know where to go based on the tides, the time of day, and the time of year. But today I'm just kind of winging it, so hopefully we'll get on some good fish. We'll check in with you when we get one. All right, we just hooked up on a dead pinfish on a knocker rig. I'm pretty sure it's a redfish the way it's fighting. Yeah, I think it's a red. It's not a big one, but is that a red? Pretty sure I saw a redfish. No, don't go that way. Yeah, it's a little slot red. Come here, you. My way. Come here. Gotcha. This guy's hooked perfectly right in the corner of the mouth. There we go. Circle hook did the trick. He ate a dead pinfish that I had just put a couple little snips in the belly for scent. A dead bait's just as good as a live bait this time of year, especially this time of day. Let's take a look at this fella. Yeah, he's about a 20-inch redfish. Pretty guy. We'll hurry up and measure him and get him in the water. Okay, so he was 22 inches. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes. So as I was pedaling across Estero Bay, I started seeing all these mud boils all around me. At first I thought maybe it was caused by mullet or redfish, but then I realized it was way too much to be caused by fish. That was confirmed when I saw these noses pop up. I was in the middle of a huge pod of manatees. Now if you've ever accidentally startled manatees, you know it can be a hair-raising experience. So I started proceeding very carefully through here, and I was hoping to make it through without startling them, but well, you'll see what happens. Manatees. Oh my goodness, I just startled a pot of manatees. go change my shorts. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, guys. I hooked this guy and 2 other redfish came up, and there was 3 redfish just swirling around in front of me, and I wasn't filming. Oh man, it looks so cool. This guy's a lot nicer than the last one we hooked. He made a nice run too, and of course wasn't able to film that. Man, he had 2 buddies with him. It was so beautiful seeing them, all 3 of them, come up together like that. Oh, I wish you guys could have seen it. Okay, he's about done. Yeah, he's a lot nicer than the other one. Man, this is a nice little spot right here. Hooked right in the corner. Perfectly. Open up for me. Let me get that hook out of you. Check him out. That's about a 24, 25. The last one was a 22. Pretty fish. Oh wow, he's 26 inches. And we found out where they're hiding. Give him a quick little revival here. Yeah, he's about ready. Yeah, he's aware. There he goes. Straight down. Whew, that was awesome. Guys, I caught him on the free line setup. So my smaller rod I have set up with a free line. It's just a 2-foot sectional leader and a circle hook. And when I'm using a nice lively bait and I'm moving around searching areas, I like to use a free lined bait that I can continually cast and retrieve. And it helps me zero in on where the fish are holding. Once I find a good spot and I want to stay there, then I'll switch over to a knocker rig and just pin the bait down to a specific spot. All right guys, that was my last bait, so I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.